I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up transaction alerts on your Discover card, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Discover account. Visit the Discover website or open the mobile app and log in with your username and password. This is your gateway to managing your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. This is usually located in the menu at the top right of the screen. Step 3. Select alerts. In the account settings, look for an option labeled Alerts or Notifications. Click on it to access the alert setup options. Step 4. Enable transaction alerts. Find the option for transaction alerts and toggle it on. You may also have the option to customize the types of alerts you want to receive, such as for purchases over a certain amount. Quick gotcha, if you don't see the toggle, make sure you're using the latest version of the app or refresh the page. Step 5. Save your changes. After setting your preferences, be sure to click Save or Apply to ensure your changes take effect. You should receive a confirmation message once your alerts are set up. Now you're all set to receive transaction alerts on your Discover card. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.